Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to unblock someone on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Go to your profile. Tap on the three horizontal lines from the top right corner. Click on Settings from the pop-up menu. Tap on Privacy. Scroll down, and under the Connections section, you will see Blocked Accounts. Tap on it. Here you will find the list of the users you have blocked. Look for the user you want to unblock and click on Unblock. Now, confirm your action by tapping on Unblock. And you will successfully unblock the user. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to unblock someone on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.